Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. Our today's topic is odd and even numbers 251 to 500. Dear students, this is lesson number 8 and SW number 8 also. Okay, now the students, we will start our today's class. Dear students, you know that in mathematics we use total 10 digits for expressing any numbers, and we can divide these 10 digits into two parts. One is odd digits and another is even digits. The digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These 5 digits are called odd digits. And another 5 digits, that means 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These 5 digits are even digits. Now, any 2 digits, 3 digits or 4 digits number which ones place digit is odd digit, then that number will be odd number. And ones place digit, if ones place digit is even digit, then that number will be even number. Suppose 463, it's a 3 digits number and its ones place digit is 3. Ones place digit is 3 and 3 is odd digit. So this number, that means 463, this number will be odd number. Again, if we consider 3, 7, 8, that means 378. This is also a 3 digits number and its ones place digit is 8. 8 is even digits, so 378 will be even number. So now we can easily separate which numbers are even numbers and which numbers are odd numbers. Okay, dear the students, here 10 numbers given and we have to separate odd numbers and even numbers. We will write odd number in this place and we will write even numbers in this place. At first, 253. This is a number and its ones place digit is 3. 3 is odd digit, so 253 will be odd number. We will write 253 here, 253. Now 370, its ones place digit is 0. 0 is even digit, so 370 will be even number. So in the place of even number we will write 370. 370. Now next number 291. Its ones place digit is 1. 1 is odd digit, so 291 will be odd number. We have to write 299 1 here. 291. Now 472. Ones place digit 2, which is even digit, so we have to write 472 in the place of even number. 472. Now 344. 344 ones place digit is 4, which is even digit, so 344 will be even number. 344. Now 475, its ones place digit is 5. 5 is odd digit, so 475 will be odd number. 475. Now another number 297, which ones place digit is 7 and its odd digit, so 297 will be odd number. 297. Now 340, ones place digit 0, 0 is odd digit, 0 is even digit, so 340 will be even number. 3, 4, 0. Now 463, ones place digit 3, 3 is odd digit, so 463 will be odd number. 4, 6, 3. Now next number 378. Here ones place digit is 8, 8 is even digit, so 378 will be even number. 3, 7, 8. Okay, dear the students, we have solved one number. Now we will solve now two number question. Here another 10 numbers given, and we have to separate odd numbers and even numbers. We will write odd numbers in this place and we will write even numbers in this place. At first 421. Here ones place digit is 1. 1 is odd digit, so 421 will be odd number. 4, 2, 1. Now 319, 319. Here 9 is odd digit, so 319 will be odd number. 319. Then 264, ones place digit is 4, 4 is even digit, so 264 will be even number. 2, 6, 4. Now 500, ones place digit is 0, 0 is even digit, so 500 will be even number. Then 423, its ones place digit is 3, 3 is odd digit, so 423 will be odd number. 4, 2, 3. Now 486, 486 which ones place digit is 6, 6 is even digit, so 486 will be even number. 4, 8, 6. Now 379, ones place digit is 9, 9 is odd digit, so number will be odd number. 3, 7, 9. Then 440, which ones place digit is 0 and its even digit, so 440 will be even number. 4, 4, 0. Now 325, ones place digit is 5, which is odd digit, so 325 will be odd number. 3, 2, 5. Now last number, 274. Last number 274, its ones place digit is 4 and 4 is even digit, so 274 will be even number. 2, 7, 4. Okay, dear the students, we have separated all of the numbers. I hope you have understood today's CW. Dear the students, now I am giving you SW. Our today's SW, today's CW is your SW also, and this is SW number 8. Dear students, I am repeating, our today's CW is your SW also, and today's SW number 8 number SW. Okay, dear the students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.